In this video, I'm going to show you how a particular user can use a MarketXLS platform to manage and trade their option positions directly from Excel. We are going to be using Tradier for placing our trades, and we are going to be using MarketXLS, which is a system which brings in real-time stock market options and cryptocurrency data directly into your Excel spreadsheet. MarketXLS has more than 13,000 stocks, 3,000 ETFs, 26,000 mutual funds, and millions of data points for options, and more than 9,600 crypto symbols, which they are able to bring in real time into your Excel spreadsheet. When you get a subscription for MarketXLS, it comes with all the data, templates, and formulas built in, so that way you don't have to go and seek data elsewhere. Okay, so what we are going to do is I'm going to show you a template. So when you go to templates section for MarketXLS, you see there are 67 options templates related to option strategies. So there is a strategy template for almost any option strategy which you might want to try. And the beauty of Excel is you can take these and you can modify them, and you can add in any term which you need by which you want to make a decision. This makes it very powerful, and you are able to take snapshots of your Excel spreadsheets and for your journaling purposes, and also for your profit and loss calculations later in the year. So let's see how this particular user is managing and trading their Iron Condor. So here is a template they are using. So this is a position they have opened for an Iron Condor for SPY, a put and a call pair at 431 and 433, and a put pair at 429 and 427. And they are able to manage this. They are able to look at it real time in Excel. In fact, if they had a lot of positions, they will all be on the same Excel spreadsheet, and you simply open the Excel spreadsheet and automatically it will update just like it is updating right now. Then they can cut and paste and save these as values so they can have a journaling system. But once they are ready to close or open up this position, you simply click on this link, which is provided by Tradier. So let's click on this link and see what happens. So right now we have sold the call for 431. So when we are closing this position, we would be buying to close. Let's click on it and see. It loads the Tradier platform, buy to close the call at 431 right here. And now you can preview your order and submit the order through the Tradier brokerage, and hence you are able to trade your Iron Condor from Excel directly. Thank you.